Hi gems, welcome back to my channel. Since the new year is coming up, why not? Let's do some New Year's nails. So these are the colors that you're going to need, but you can always do colors of your choices. I done stepped on my comfort zone with this black now. Now this is black acrylic. This is not the gel polish, so yeah. Starting off with this design, we are going to need our handy dandy blooming gel to make this gel polish spread out. So you're going to place the blooming gel on whatever fingers you want the design to be on. I wanted mine on all of them because I want it to be real festive. Now, I started off with putting the blooming gel only on 2 fingers because if you put it on too many, it's going to spread too fast and it's going to be an entire mess. So start off with putting it only on 2 fingers because you don't know how fast you're going to be working and how fast it's going to spread. If I haven't told y'all already, the design that we're going to be doing is Fireworks. So I feel like this is really different. I've never seen this before. So we're going to do Fireworks. Now, starting off, after you do the blooming gel, you don't want to cure it. You want to put the polish on the blooming gel while it's wet. That's the whole effect of it. So don't cure it. Taking your dotting tool and whatever color you choose to pick up, you're going to start off by placing dots on the nail. Now, however many fireworks you want on that specific nail, that's how many dots you're going to do. If you do end up doing more than 2 fireworks on the nail, make sure the third one is kind of small because you don't want the nails to be like overwhelmed. And when somebody looks at it, they be like, what's this? So you don't want too much to be going on the nail. On the middle finger, I did not put blooming gel all over the whole nail. I just put it in the corner because I knew on the top of the nail, I wanted to do a little clock design. Taking my gel polish, I just decided to draw. I have a circle right in the corner for the clock. I did not want the whole clock to take up the whole nail because I still kind of wanted to incorporate the little fireworks. It's supposed to be giving New Year's. So I was like, let's try to add anything dealing with New Year's on these nails. Not everything, you don't want it to look too crazy. But when you think about New Year's, the first thing I think about when I think about New Year's is fireworks and 12 o'clock. These nails is really like a trust the process type of nails. If you don't trust the process, you probably gonna be looking at these nails like, girl, no, I'm not doing this. Let me know down in the comments, what are y'all nail related goals for the new year or your regular goals? Taking your white gel polish, you're going to take the itsy bitsy small part of your dotting tool and you're going to start off by centering the fireworks. You're going to put a dot in the center where you want all the dots to connect to. You're going to make a circle of dots going around that centering dot that you just made. And after that, once you have that base of the firework, you can start to place dots on the outside or in the middle to create a bigger explosion effect. Now, when it comes down to connecting the dots to the center ones, when you draw the lines, you want to pick a direction where you want the lines to go. Mine's, I made them curve to the right. You can make them curve to the left, but if you try to do it like back and forth, like left, right, it's not going to come out right. Trust me, I tried it. Don't do it. So find a specific direction where you want them all to curve to. Work your way around the circle in that specific direction. whatever clear gel polish that you have on hand, you're going to take a little bit and dab it on the palette with the rest of the colors. With doing this, you're going to be able to mix the regular colors that you already have on the palette with the clear to make it more translucent. Once you go ahead and mix all those colors up together, you're going to take whatever base color that nail has and put it on top of the white that you just put on top of the base color. Go ahead and put matte top coat all over the nails and cure that. And take your thin liner brush and the white gel polish and add thin lines starting from the center and just flick them out. It's going to give it a little extra razzle dazzle, a little extra sprinkle and make all of this come together. Now, if you're extra, you could add a little glitter in there too, but I didn't want to do too much, so I just left them alone. If y'all haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I love teaching y'all these little gems, especially for when doing nail art, because that's what I feel like I really enjoy doing as a nail tech is nail art. Sometimes as a nail tech, you really have to sit yourself down and be like, you can't do everything. You can't do everything. So you have to find what draws you closer to the nails, what makes you excited to do the nails. And for me, that is nail art. There is always room to grow. So practice, practice, practice. That's what I have to keep telling myself. If you haven't already, you can follow my socials at the top of the screen for more content. And I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.